Ever feel like you're surrounded by words you can't quite,
Yeah.
like you're right there, but just out of reach?
Yeah, I know that feeling. Like you almost have it.
Exactly. Well, today we're diving deep into 10 words, really powerful ones.
A vocabulary booster pack.
Yes. Boot camp for your brain, so you can use these words like a pro. And we've got expert speaker here to break it all down, not just definitions.
Right, because anyone can look up a word in a dictionary.
Exactly. We want to know how to use them, in real life.
Absolutely. Words have this incredible power. Knowing which one to use changes everything.
Okay, let's do this. First word, propensity. It's defined as like a natural tendency to behave in a certain way. Example, she has a propensity for solving problems creatively.
Ooh, propensity. I love that word.
Right, so elegant.
It is, and it tells us something important about people. Think about yourself. What are your propensities? Do you, jump into new challenges?
Oh, not me. I'm more avoid conflict at all costs.
There you go. A propensity for peacemaking. But see, it's not just what we like or dislike. It's deeper.
Yeah, it's like almost subconscious, right? Like an inclination you can't help.
Exactly. Ingrained. So if someone has a propensity for, say, risk-taking, they might do great in a startup.
Fast-paced, got to make decisions quickly.
Right. But that same tendency in a situation that needs careful planning.
Could backfire, for sure. Okay, next word. And we all know this one. Lethargic.
Uh-oh, I sense a nap coming on already.
It means lacking energy and enthusiasm. Like, after that huge holiday meal, I felt incredibly lethargic.
Classic. Post-turkey coma.
We've all been there.
But lethargy can also be a sign of something, deeper, burnout.
Oh, that's a good point.
Even a medical condition. So if it's constant, worth paying attention to.
Right, not just I'm tired, but like a message from your body.
Exactly.
Oh.
Right. Okay, let's brighten things up. Gregarious.
Fond of company. Sociable, like my gregarious neighbor knows everyone on the block.
Ah, the social butterfly. Thrives in groups, loves to chat.
Thinking about the word, it makes me think of like a flock of birds,
Ooh, good observation. The root of gregarious actually does refer to flocks and herds.
So it's built right into the word, that instinct to gather.
Fascinating, right. The history of words.
Okay, up next, inevitable. Certain to happen, unavoidable, like the changing of the seasons is inevitable.
Inevitable. Such a powerful word makes you face those things you can't change. Aging. Change itself.
Heavy stuff.
It can be, but also freeing. You focus on what you can influence, not waste energy on what's, inevitable.
I like that perspective. Okay, incisive. This one's sharp.
Mentally sharp, for sure.
Meaning clear, direct, showing insight. For example, the lawyer's incisive questioning revealed the inconsistencies in the witness's testimony.
Boom. Got to the heart of it, like a surgeon's incision.
Perfect analogy, precision, and the power of incisive communication, when clarity is crucial. Okay, ready for a tricky one? Ambiguous.
Oh, ambiguity. My favorite and least favorite thing at the same time.
It's open to interpretation. Unclear. Think of a, abstract painting or a poem with multiple meanings.
Right. Intentional ambiguity. Art thrives on it, but then there's the unintentional kind, like bad instructions.
The worst. But ambiguity can be a tool too, right? In marketing, a slogan with a double meaning.
Exactly. Or diplomacy. Ambiguous language helps you navigate tough topics.
Without offending anyone?
Precisely. It all depends on the context.
Ambiguity, keeping us on our toes.
Oh.
Okay, similar vibe, but different. Enigmatic.
Mysterious? Intrigue?
Her enigmatic smile left everyone wondering what she was thinking.
Ooh, allure. Think of those characters in books or movies, They draw you in with their mystery.
They reveal just enough, but never the whole picture.
Makes you want to know more.
Hooked. Okay, shifting gears completely. Acrimonious.
Ooh, that's a heavy one.
Angry. Bitter. Especially in speech or debate. Example. The political debate quickly turned acrimonious, with both sides resorting to personal attacks.
Not a word you want to hear describing your conversation.
Definitely not. It's like communication breakdown.
It is. And even when we disagree strongly, right? There's passionate debate, and then there's acrimony.
Acrimony destroys relationships. A reminder that how we speak is as important as what we say. Okay, our next word has this, bittersweet beauty. Transient?
Fleeting. Temporary.
Transient makes you appreciate those moments, right? A sunset, a shared laugh.
All the more precious because they won't last forever.
Live in the now. Okay, final word. Pristine.
Ooh, love this one. Untouched, unspoiled.
The hiker marveled at the pristine beauty of the untouched wilderness. So we think of purity, perfection, right?
You do. But is pristine always good? Can an idea be pristine?
I never thought about it that way.
A reputation.
Yeah.
And what if trying to be pristine leads to, like, excluding others or unrealistic expectations?
Wow, so many layers to that word.
Right. That's why language is so amazing.
I feel like my brain just got a workout. How about you, listener? Which word resonated most? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy wordsmithing.